Hello everyone, this is the 7th video of this tutorial series where we will learn how to use our website localoi.in. In this video, we will discuss about the inventory population workflow. To check the population of your inventory, firstly open the shop page and then click this edit button on your shop. Click on auto populate inventory. Now you will see this pop up and you just need to click on proceed. Your inventory will be displayed now. As you can see, the latest product that is sold and the total amount of products sold from your shop through localoi.in is being displayed here. So now you have learned how to check your inventory. That brings us to the end of this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.